Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Danu Aji Nugroho with NPM 2241119X from Management Class 22. On this occasion, I will explain about understanding ownership structure and corporate governance. In the context of corporate governance, ownership structure play a pivotal role in shaping how a company controls how decisions are made. The distribution of ownership, whether considered and affirmed, hence or within differs among shareholders, can significantly influence a company governance dynamic, power relation, and overall performance. Understanding ownership structure is essential for analyzing how effectively a company can align the interests of its shareholder with those of management as corporate governance continue to evolve, recognizing the impact to different ownership model become increasingly more important for ensuring accountability, transparency, and strategic alignment. Definition: ownership structure refers to the distribution of equity ownership in a company, particularly among shareholders such as founder, institutional investor, government entities, or the public. In corporate governance, this structure determines who holds power, how voting rights are distributed, and how influence is exerted over the board and management. Ownership can be classified and concentrated where a small group holds significant control or dispersed, where ownership is widely spread with no dominant shareholder. The structure of ownership directly impacts brand composition, oversight mechanism, and extent of shareholder activism. All of us are key to effective governance. Case study from corporate governance. A relevant example is the ownership structure of Facebook, now Meta Platform Inc., where Mark Zuckerberg holds a significant portion voting rights through dual-class share structures. Although he owns a minority of total share, his supervoting shares grant him majority control over company decisions. This concentrated ownership has allowed Zuckerberg to maintain long-term strategic control, even in the face of shareholder concern. With this structure offers stability and clear vision, it also raises questions about accountability, especially when shareholder voices are minimized. The case of Meta demonstration how ownership structure can both empower leadership and challenge traditional governance norms. Meaning and benefit. Understanding ownership structure helps stakeholders evaluate the balance of power within a corporation and assess how effectively governance mechanisms function. Concentrated ownership can lead to faster decision making and strong oversight from major shareholders, but may also result in entrenchment or lack of responsibility to minority interests. On the other hand, dispenser of ownership encourages more democratic control and protects minority shareholders, both can lead to coordination problems and weaker oversight. An optimal ownership structure supports strategic alignment, minimizes conflict of interest, and strengthens the board's ability to hold management accountable, thus enhancing overall the quality of corporate governance. And last conclusion in conclusion, ownership structure is a fundamental aspect of corporate governance that spaces the distribution of authority, the effectiveness for oversight, and the alignment of interests among stakeholders. Whatever concentrates or disperses, the structure must be well understood and managed to ensure that governance framework operates fairly and efficiently. As companies grow and globalizing, adapting ownership structure to support influencing governance needs become crucial. Ultimately, a thoughtful and transparent approach to ownership structure is key to building sustainable, accountable, and high-performing organization. And will my presentation. Thank you for attention. I will end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.